Understanding Kondratieff waves, insights into long-term economic cycles. Kondratieff waves, also known as supercycles, K-waves, surges, or long waves, are a fascinating concept in economic theory, illustrating the cyclical nature of capitalist economies over extended periods of 40 to 60 years. Named after the Russian economist Nikolai Kondratieff, these waves provide a lens through which we can analyze economic growth, stagnation, and regression influenced by technological innovations and societal changes. Key concepts of Kondratieff waves. Theoretical framework. At the heart of the Kondratieff wave theory is the idea that technological advancements drive long-term economic cycles, leading to prosperity followed by inevitable downturns. Kondratieff observed fluctuations in commodity prices, suggesting that these were cyclical phenomena rather than random occurrences. The theory encompasses a broad range of economic activities, influenced by innovation, shifts in consumer behavior, and changes in global markets. Historical waves. Economists have identified several Kondratieff waves since the 18th century, categorized primarily by the technological drivers of each period. 1. First wave, 1780 to 1830. Fueled by the invention of the steam engine, this wave marked the onset of the Industrial Revolution, transforming agriculture and manufacturing. 2. Second wave, 1830 to 1880. This phase was characterized by advancements in the steel industry and the expansion of railroads, which facilitated trade and economic growth. 3. Third wave, 1880 to 1930. The introduction of electrification and innovations in the chemical industry distinguished this wave, leading to significant productivity improvements. 4. Fourth wave, 1930 to 1970. The rise of automobiles and petrochemicals drove this wave, marking significant shifts in transportation and energy sectors. 5. Fifth wave, 1970. Present. Currently, we are believed to be in a phase driven by information technology, impacting nearly all aspects of modern life, including communication, business, and education. 6. Anticipated sixth wave. Some economists suggest a forthcoming sixth wave influenced by biotechnology and healthcare innovations may reshape the global economy. The 4 seasons of economic cycles. Each Kondratieff wave is theorized to consist of 4 distinct subcycles often represented by the seasons. Spring, characterized by increasing productivity and inflation, signaling economic booms. Investment and job creation soar during this phase. Summer, marked by rising affluence, where societal attitudes toward work begin to shift, resulting in a slowdown in growth as consumerism peaks. Autumn, economic stagnation sets in, often precipitating deflationary spirals as isolationist policies take hold, further limiting growth opportunities. Winter, a period marked by deep economic depressions, social disarray, and a widening gap between the wealthy and the impoverished, leading to systemic socio-economic challenges. The controversial legacy of Nikolai Kondratieff. Despite his insightful contributions, Nikolai D. Kondratieff faced considerable backlash, particularly from the authoritarian regime of his time. His theories were dismissed in his home country of Russia, where the prevailing ideology under leaders like Joseph Stalin deemed capitalist cycles to be contrary to the idea of an inevitable communist utopia. Kondratieff's views painted a complex picture of capitalism, one not destined for decay but marked by cyclical progressions. As a consequence, Kondratieff was imprisoned in a Siberian concentration camp, where he ultimately met his tragic end in 1938. His work, however, continued to influence a branch of economics recognized today as heterodox economics, an approach that diverges from mainstream economic theories. The relevance of Kondratieff waves today. Understanding Kondratieff waves offers valuable insights into the dynamics of modern economies. Economists and policymakers can better anticipate and respond to cyclical changes by recognizing the historical patterns of development driven by innovation and societal shifts. Present-day challenges, including technological disruption, globalization, and rising inequality, can also be contextualized within the framework of these long-term cycles. As we stand on the threshold of potential new wave driven by advancements in biotechnology and health, the insights gleaned from Kondratieff waves become not just an academic curiosity but a critical tool for navigating the complexities of today's and future economies.